Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a fiat currency wallet on Crypto.com. First, open the Crypto.com app on your mobile device and navigate to the Accounts tab. This wallet allows you to deposit and withdraw traditional money, like US dollars or euros, directly from your bank. It's essential for easily funding your crypto purchases and cashing out your digital assets, making your experience seamless and efficient. To start, tap on the Accounts icon at the bottom of your screen, then select Fiat Wallet. Here, you will choose the specific currency you wish to use, like the US dollar or euro. The app will guide you through any required identity verification, which is a standard security measure to ensure your account's safety and compliance with financial regulations. Next, you'll link your external bank account. Carefully enter your bank's name, your account number, and any other required details like a routing number for domestic transfers or a SWIFT code for international ones. Crypto.com may send a small test deposit or require a verification code to confirm ownership of your bank account, ensuring a secure connection for your transactions. With your bank account successfully linked, you are now ready to fund your Fiat wallet. Simply select the deposit option within the Fiat Wallet section and follow the specific instructions for a bank transfer or wire transfer. Funds usually arrive within 1 to 3 business days, allowing you to quickly buy cryptocurrencies or withdraw your earnings back to your bank account with ease.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.